So this is our live chakra attunement. It is Wednesday, midweek, the 21st of August, 2024. And we are all starting with a great big breath, stretching up, raising your arms to the sky, sweeping them out as you breathe in. And really, as you stretch, kind of just feel your spine opening up and your chakras aligning, breathing in and breathing out. So you get that nice Samavritti breath going, where you have an equal inhale and an equal exhale. And we breathe in and we breathe out, allowing our body to fall into that rhythm of an equal inhale and an equal exhale. And we take some time to surround the body in a container of light below the feet, above the head, in front of the body, behind the body. And that container of light contains your subtle bodies, your auric field, and you feel yourself coming into a calm center, in the center of it all, as you breathe in and you breathe out. And we like to open when we come together in a circle with our invocation. So our invocation for 2024 is about being present in the moment, fully present in the moment. And we've named it mindful awareness. So the more you practice your mindfulness and your deep awareness, the more present you can be in each moment. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in, I am present. Breathing out, I release the past. Breathing in, I am present. Breathing out, I release worrying about the future. I am aware, I'm awake. I am fully present in this moment, practicing mindful awareness. Breathing in, I am fully present. Breathing out, I am fully present. Breathing in, I am present. Breathing out, I release the past. Breathing in, I am present. Breathing out, I release worrying about the future. I am aware, I am awake. I am fully present in this moment, practicing mindful awareness. Breathing in, I am fully present. Breathing out, I am fully present. Breathing in, I am present. Breathing out, I release the past. Breathing in, I am present. Breathing out, I release worrying about the future. I'm aware, I'm awake. I am fully present in this moment, practicing mindful awareness. Breathing in, I am fully present. Breathing out, I am fully present. Now, I've been saying this invocation for thousands of times now in this year of 2024. And I can begin to really feel it working. Like I start to feel my third eye moving around, and I can almost feel it bringing me into a center, and the mindful awareness part showing me how I have, moved out of the present moment, thinking about something that just happened, thinking about something that's going to happen. And it takes me, into usually the second round, or sometimes in the first round, but usually into the second or third round before I actually start to feel myself shift into the present moment and let go. And so, as always, it takes practice. And whatever tool we all decide to use, based on your personal practices, what helps you center and stay aware and calm, we have to practice that tool. It's the one thing that probably I've learned so deeply in this, 40-year journey of awakened awareness, is that I have to practice, because I can fall back into old patterns of worry or fear very, very easily. Breathing in and breathing out. And yet the ability to come back to the present moment becomes faster, becomes easier, and becomes stronger because of the practice. So, breathing in, breathing out, whatever brings you here, and some of you consistently come to the chakra attunement, you begin to realize that you're strengthening this part of yourself through these vortices, these chakras that bring the life force and the prana into the body and distribute it so that you can be balanced. You begin to realize how helpful it is to even know and be aware that you have chakras. A lot of people aren't even aware of it, and during the day you can start to become aware through some of these practices of, oh gosh, what's going on in this second chakra or this fifth chakra, and you can help yourself come into alignment. So with that little prelude this morning on this Wednesday in August of 2024, we continue to breathe with our awareness, to straighten our body, and to drop our energy down to the root chakra. With our inward breath and our outward breath, you can allow yourself to move up on the inward breath from the root to the crown. Pause there. And move your consciousness down on the outward breath from the crown to the root, and pause there for a moment. Strengthening your alignment, noticing what you notice. Some chakras may elude you, some may not be as colorful to your consciousness, some might be a little out of alignment. And so during the attunement, you can practice bringing them back into clarity and a depth of their color and back into alignment. Breathing in, breathing out, dropping to the root at the base, tailbone, pelvic floor, down the right leg, left leg, red energy. I like to visualize a deep red in nature. Right now I'm thinking of my red geraniums or apples or cherries. So the variances in that red vibration, breathing it in. And we'll exercise that chakra. We'll wake it up, get it attuned, get it spinning properly with a low-toned Om. And we'll chant its one-syllable Sanskrit mantra, Lam, Lam, Lam. And again. Letting that vibration settle in your body, feeling it in your bones, strengthening your connection to the new healed whole Mother Earth. You breathe in and bring your consciousness up to the orange chakra. Feeling that settling around the navel area, hip to hip, kidney to kidney. Medium tone Om for your exercise, and your one-syllable Sanskrit mantra is Vam with a V. Visualizing that happy orange color. Ready? Vam, Vam. Red and orange spinning and solid, bringing you to the new healed whole Mother Earth and grounding you more fully here in this moment. Coming up now to the yellow above the orange and the red, and the yellow chakra is up there about 1.5 inches above your navel, goes up under the edge of the breastbone, connects to your adrenals, wraps around the body there. And as I'm breathing in and out, thinking of yellow, I'm bringing the sun in and I'm lifting up my rib cage. You know, we tend to sit most of us kind of slumped, and what gets squashed? Your solar plexus, power, sense of self-worth chakra. So breathe into it right now, and that yellow vibration, it's a high tone Om, and Ram is the one syllable Sanskrit mantra. Ram, Ram, Ram. So when you have those base chakras, the root, the belly, and the solar plexus spinning and strong, these are the chakras that you deal with in your interactions in your world and in your life. And we take a nice deep breath in, going into the exercise sound for the heart, which is in the middle of these three chakras, 3 above, 3 below. Ah, go ahead. Ah, open your jaw, get some oxygen through the body. Ah, yum. Ah, yum. Ah, yum. So yum is our one syllable Sanskrit mantra. Green is our color. This is the healing chakra, the heart chakra. I love and accept myself exactly as I am. I love and accept you exactly as you are. And I like to put the hands in prayer pose in front of the heart, or lay them on the chest, kind of rubbing them, breathing in, breathing out. Ah, yum. Ah, yum, yum. Ah, yum. Take a moment in your heart as you continue to gently chant yum, 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 to just send love to any place in yourself that needs it. Ah, yum. How much have you criticized yourself this morning already for this reason or that reason, for your looks, for the way you feel, for not getting something done? Ah, yum. I love and accept myself exactly as I am. Ah, yum. And spreading that love into the world. I love and accept you exactly as you are. Breathing in the green. So from the beautiful heart chakra, we move up to the throat chakra. Use the lion breath to open that up in your exercise. The tongue comes out, the paws flare up. Blue of the sky. Hum, 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 hum. That's H-U-M. Hum. And we use that's the same one syllable Sanskrit mantra chant, only we chant it. Hum, 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 hum. Sometimes I like to visualize myself just laying on the earth, in the sand, or in a field, or just out in the yard, and making angels like you make in the snow. Hum, just feel your arms stretching out. Hum, hum, hum. And just communicating your joy in the simple moment of being connected to the earth and seeing the sky. Just bringing that out of your being into the world, expressing a little bit of joy. Hum, hum, and maybe a lot of joy. Hum, hum. And right now, think to yourself, what do I have to be joyful of? Oh, I'm breathing, I'm with this group, I'm in the moment. Hum, 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 hum. It's another day in which I can do my practice, I can smile. Hum, hum. The beauty of sounds and tones without having to shape them into words, just being. Hum, hum. About now, the 5th chakra that we're coming to, which is the 3rd eye, I like to hold the palms open. And I'd like to take a moment of thinking of all the teachers and the friends and the family and the beings and the guides and the guardians and the angels, the ascended masters, I'd like to take a moment of gratitude. Thank you all for being here. Indigo, the color of the third eye, like the twilight sky, that deep blue with a touch of purple and the high-pitched ee. That is the exercise sound for the third eye, which I've always thought that it's about piercing the veil of illusion and helping us come into wholeness and seeing a bigger picture, not just my way or the highway, but the bigger picture for all love and peace for all humanity. Breathing in, breathing out, indigo, high-pitched E, and Sham is the one-syllable Sanskrit mantra. Sham, 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 Sham. Sham, Sham, Sham. Back to the heart for the moment. Don't you feel good? With the palms still open, we come up to the crown at the top of the head. The purple violet color going to the white light, amethyst, purple violet. Breathing that in. The exercise tone is wah, 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 wah. We go from low to high. When you get to that highest, just kind of let it die out and feel the stillness of everything that you have created with your attunement today. Bask in that for a moment, receiving, palms open. It's like a shower of light that comes back. And then we'll do the second round, and we'll go into the one-syllable mantra, which is Om, at the end of both, to seal the practice, starting as we've begun with the Om for the exercise and ending with the Om for the mantra. Ready? Wah, 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 wah. And at this time, you can turn your palms back to palm, or laying them over the heart. Palm to palm in Anjali Mudra. Whatever works for you the best. And we'll seal the practice today with 3 beautiful Oms, toning Om. The first for yourself, you're here, you're awake, you're aware, you're breathing. The second for each other, thank you all for being here with us and practicing. And the third for just spreading our joyful noise out into the world. Ready? Taking a moment in stillness, setting your intention for a more peaceful self, a more peaceful world, a more peaceful experience today. Breathing in and out. Many, many blessings to all.